Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO Reno 6, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel and locate the hotspot toggle, which for me is right here in the corner. Once you find it, you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to settings, so click right here, personal hotspot settings. And I would recommend you to start off with the password, because as you can see, it is some randomly generated password. So you can simply tap on it, remove this one, and set our own. There we go. It needs to have 8 characters in length at minimum. That can be letters, numbers, and symbols, doesn't really matter. And then we can move over to AP band. This will allow you to set it either from 2.4 to 5 GHz or just keep it at 2.4. Now, if you have a relatively newer device that you will be connecting to this hotspot with, then I would recommend you to go for the 5 GHz. It's going to be a faster and stronger connection, while the 2.4 band will basically support almost every device that has any kind of Wi-Fi capabilities. But the devices that don't support 5 GHz simply won't see the Wi-Fi at all. So if you're not sure about your device, you can simply turn it on, and if you can see that Wi-Fi, then drop it back to 2.4 and you should be set. And last thing we have right here is the Wi-Fi 6. Now, I don't have any device that supports Wi-Fi 6 around here, apart from, well, this thing right here. So I won't turn it on. It does consume more battery when it is enabled through Wi-Fi 6, though the connection will be even better. So you might want to double with this one. But like I said, you need a device that as a relatively new device that basically came out in like 2021. That's where I'm starting to see those phones and devices having Wi-Fi 6. So anything before like 2021, I just forget about it. Most likely it doesn't have it. So that's why I'm not turning it on. And lastly, we have the name. So obviously you can change it if you want to, or keep it as it is. It has the name of the device all the time, so it's easy to find. From there, click on the check mark to save the settings, and you can now find the toggle once more. Click on it to turn it on, and there we go. Your hotspot is now active. So you can see right here, Wi-Fi tethering turned on. Now, additionally, I will mention that once you're done with the hotspot, I do recommend you to remember to turn it off, because it does also consume more battery than not having it on. So if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. And to turn it off, all you need to do is tap on the toggle once again. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.